Hi guys, this is Serge from Discovering Destinations, and this is Discovering the Free Walking Tour in Santiago, Chile. Enjoy!
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain once more. We have started our descent into Santiago International Airport. We've also started crossing the Andes chain of mountains, which is the longest chain of mountains on the planet. And the passengers on the right side of the aircraft will be able to see the Aconcagua mountain, which is the highest peak of this chain of mountains. We will be landed in another 20 minutes, exactly on schedule. The weather is excellent in Santiago. It's a sunny day, temperature now 22 degrees Celsius.
To facilitate our travels, we pre-arranged for a driver to transport us from the airport to our apartment located in Providencia, which is roughly 3 kilometers east from the downtown core. For our first night, we decided to relax, enjoy some Chilean wine, and some perfect mountain views. Santiago has a free walking tour, and we felt this was the perfect way to get acquainted in a new city. The metro system is very easy to use and also very affordable. Our meeting spot was 9 a.m. at the Plaza de Armas. And luckily, we were paired with Franco, who was very knowledgeable and an excellent tour guide.
Now, this version is from the 1740s. We're talking 200 years later because, well, imagine the cathedral here has fallen down completely 5 times because of earthquakes. Remember, Chile is the most sensitive country in the world. You have earthquakes all the time, and I guess the Spanish didn't know this, but Santiago was built on a fault.
It's the Game of Thrones.
The most dramatic moment in the modern history of Chile, you could say. When this building was destroyed. Okay, remember this building was bombed. Okay, people, if you go to the museum, please look for the most famous Chilean painter, Roberto Mata, M-A-T-T-A. Roberto Mata, the surrealist, 1940s, and a really cool guy, and kind of the only Chilean painter that became a little bit more international. Not the usual stuff that you're gonna find in your like average souvenir shop. What's this? A pipe to drink wine. See, you put wine inside and you can go on drinking your wine pipe. See? And you have also the good luck pigs. This was the ugliest pig in the world. Why? Only had 3 legs. See, so nobody wanted a 3-legged pig. So the pig went wandering around, until somebody found this pig in some bushes with a pile of gold.
1, 2, 3, va. Llegando hasta el carnaval, quebradeño mi chulita. Llegando hasta el carnaval, quebradeño mi chulita. Cuesta de la quebrada, una guaqueña para cantar. Meta charango y bombo, carnavalito para cantar.
And in 1998, President Clinton comes to Chile
forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more. Catch you next time.